Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy CFDs in eToro. First, you need to create an account on the eToro platform. Visit the eToro website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your details such as your email, username, and password. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Facebook or Google account for faster registration. After signing up, verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Once your account is set up and verified, you will need to fund your account. Navigate to the deposit section, choose your preferred payment method, and enter the amount you wish to deposit. eToro accepts various payment options like credit cards, bank transfers, and e-wallets. After your funds are in your account, you can start trading. To buy CFDs, use the search bar to find the asset you want to trade. This can be stocks, commodities, or cryptocurrencies. Once you find your desired asset, click on it to bring up the trading page. Here, you will see the option to trade. Select the amount you wish to invest and choose the CFD option if it is available. Make sure to review the leverage settings and other parameters before placing your order. Finally, click on the Open Trade button to execute your order. You will see your trade appear in the portfolio section. Keep an eye on your position, and when you feel it's the right time to sell, you can close your trade directly from your portfolio. Trading with CFDs can be exciting and profitable, but always remember to trade responsibly. That concludes our tutorial on how to buy CFDs in eToro. Happy trading!